welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today I'm going to be filming a new what I eat in a day. The seasons have definitely changed for us. It is super cold outside. It's snowing. We are definitely in full-on winter right now, so I thought it would be fun to share an updated what I eat in a day filled with these really nourishing and warming meals, keeping my immune system really healthy and strong and just make me feel really like nourished and warm from within. So yeah, I'm going to share a few of my favorites with you guys in this video, starting with a matcha. Normally I will have this with my breakfast when I sit down to eat, but lately I enjoy sipping on this when I'm actually making my breakfast because it's just warm and cozy. Yeah, with it being colder now, I just need that like extra bit of warmth like early in the morning, so I'm having that. And also earlier today I of course had my water. That's something that I do every single day regardless of the season or whatever's going on. I always prioritize hydrating myself first thing in the morning. It's incredible for your digestive system, your skin, your energy. And then I've also been back into my green juices. They're kind of like green smoothie juices. I make them in my blender, and it's literally the easiest and most simple way to make a green juice. So I just prep all of the ingredients beforehand. I put them in these baggies and I will freeze them. And then in the morning, all I have to do is pour out a bag into my blender. I add some water, sometimes coconut water, a few pieces of frozen pineapple, and that's it. You blend it up and it's literally like a juice. It's amazing. It tastes so good. And in the bag is just some cut up pieces of celery, cucumber, spinach, some fresh herbs, so either mint, parsley, or cilantro. This one was mint. I love doing this especially now because I'm very motivated to not get sick. Of course, this juice is a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, so that is what I've had so far. And now let's go and make breakfast. I'm still very into eggs and toast for breakfast, but I do like to switch up how I make the eggs. So sometimes I will have them scrambled, sometimes hard boiled. Lately, I've been making them sunny side up, like medium done in the middle, and this is so yummy when it breaks and gets on the toast. And I always like to mash some avocado on my toast as well. It's a great source of healthy fats, of course, and I like a good portion for breakfast. I think that's really key for stabilizing your blood sugar throughout the day and to prevent too much snacking late at night as well. I have also been adding a couple of handfuls of berries to my breakfast, actually inspired by my daughter Nalia. I do this for her every morning with her breakfast, and it's just such a great source of antioxidants, and eating fruit just makes me happy. It's like a little boost of sunshine in the cold winter days, and I just love how it makes me feel, and it's such a simple addition. So here is my breakfast. So yum. I also added some more hot water to my matcha, so I'm gonna enjoy that as well. Even though it's such a small thing, just having some fruit with my breakfast gives me so much good energy. It's just like eating a piece of summer, especially also a little bit of pineapple in the green juice. That's another way to just spice up or sort of warm up yourself from the inside when the weather has been so cold. It is -3 degrees right now. So yeah, just something as simple as adding some fruit to my breakfast just really boosts my mood. Berries in particular are really high in antioxidants. They're a great source of fiber. They're rich in vitamin C, which make them really healthy for your immune system. And like I said, I don't want to get sick. I'm very motivated to take care of my health in the season specifically. I have so much on my plate between work, being a mom, taking care of the home, and it is not fun being sick and feeling held back and low energy. And Nalia was actually sick a couple of weeks ago, and I almost got it. Like, I started feeling the tickles in my throat. I was a lot more tired, and I could just feel in my body like if this continues, I'm gonna fall off the edge, I'm gonna get sick. So yeah, I just listened to my body. I was extra cautious with staying hydrated, upped my vitamin C. I went to bed extra early and I nipped it in the bud, and I did not get sick. We live in a world where it's almost impossible to, shelter ourselves from the viruses, the bacteria, bacteria and things that go around. And I don't actually love using antibacterial soaps and disinfectant sprays and stuff, especially on my body, like on my hands. Although they have a good meaning, if you kill off all the bacteria, you're also killing off the good bacteria on your skin, in the environment, and a lot of that is actually very supportive and healthy for our bodies. So I like to take more of the inner strength approach to securing myself from getting sick, or doing my best that my body can fight off viruses and colds so that I still feel really good during the winter season. And over 70% of our immune system is actually located in our gut. So if you want to have a strong and healthy immune system, you need to have a strong and healthy gut and a thriving, diverse microbiome with a variety of different bacteria. And a great way to support your gut health and to introduce good bacteria into your gut is by taking a high quality probiotic. This is the one I've been taking for over 3 years. It's the Daily Symbiotic from Seed. This is hands down my favorite probiotic on the market for multiple reasons. Number one being that it is actually effective. Most probiotics on the market are not actually able to surpass your stomach acids, bile salts, enzymes. So essentially you could be consuming a lot of these healthy bacteria, but they're not actually going to where they need to. So this was a huge problem that Seed wanted to solve, and I think that is why they are so effective and why thousands and thousands of people rave about this probiotic. Also, when you are choosing a probiotic, it's really important to see what kind of bacteria are actually in these strains. The strains of bacteria in Seed are clinically proven to support not only your immune system, but also your skin health, which is another huge reason why I love taking Seed. My skin is very acne prone, it's very sensitive, and I truly believe in holistic health from within, and taking care and nurturing your insides and addressing your gut health is one of the most important things when it comes to having a healthy body. It's almost like the second brain. Seed also really helps with your digestive health in terms of bloating and being regular, going to the bathroom regularly. I just take 2 capsules in the morning on an empty stomach before I've eaten anything. Super easy to integrate it into your routine, and the results are amazing. If you guys have not tried this out already, I would highly recommend it. You can use my code AnnieJ25 to save 25% off your first month. With that as well, you'll also get the mini glass travel vial, and you will get monthly refill packs that you can pop back into your glass bottle. I'll have a link for this down below in the description box. Okay, so for lunch, I have been loving a warm rice salad with either roasted salmon or chicken that I will make the night before I have as leftovers. I love a fresh green salad, and to make it really cozy and nourishing for this cold weather, adding rice to it is so good. Also adding in some sliced cucumber and tomatoes. And then for the dressing, I've been doing a scoop of mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, olive oil, a dash of honey, and the juice of half a lemon. Just whisk that together and you have this really great dressing that just takes a few seconds to put together. Drizzle that on top of the salad, give it a good mix, and then I'm putting that into my bowl and adding my salmon on top. I'll have the recipe for the salmon down below in the description box. It's super simple to make as well. It's a great classic recipe to try. I make this several times a week. I love that this is such a well-balanced salad. You got a great source of greens, good protein, good carbs, healthy fats, and it just really feels nourishing on every level. Okay, it is now a little later. I'm having a snack. This is my pumpkin bread. I've been making this so often lately. I know it's like a fall thing, pumpkin bread, but for me, it just tastes like Christmas. I just love it. I'll have the recipe and how to make it down below in the description box. Would highly recommend. Nalia loves it too. And yeah, also having this with a mint tea, which I love. But yeah, this is really so good. She loves it too. The ingredients are really simple as well, and it's really easy to make, so I would definitely recommend it.
More bread.
Can you say pumpkin bread?
Pumpkin bread.
Can you say pumpkin bread? Pumpkin bread. So cute. Such a nice thing to have with tea or coffee or like a warm drink in the afternoon or even as a dessert. So good. So on to dinner. This has been one of my favorite dinner recipes on rotation. It's a vegetable beef soup that is perfect for this chilly weather. It's really hearty and cozy and again, very well balanced, and it makes amazing leftovers as well. So I'm starting by slicing up the veggies. I'm doing carrot, celery, onion, and some garlic. I'll make sure to have the exact recipe for you down below in the description box. And then in a separate bowl, I'm adding in some sliced potatoes and green beans. So the veggies are all prepped. I'm gonna start by lightly browning the meat. This just takes about a minute or so. Then I'm putting that to the side and adding in the veggies to the same pot, starting with the carrots, celery, onion, and garlic, letting those fry for a few minutes. And then I'm adding the meat back in, some crushed tomatoes, my beef broth, letting that cook for a while. And then I'm adding in the potatoes and green beans. And lastly, some corn, some frozen peas, and some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it. It is so good and just feels so like homey and hearty. Again, I will make sure to have the exact recipe for you down below in the description box. Okay guys, Nalia is asleep and I'm gonna make myself a little cozy warm drink. This is oat milk. I'm gonna do like a chai latte kind of inspired. This is such an easy and simple drink to have that is obviously caffeine free. And I just put in about like a teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, love, and then a little vanilla and some honey. And I'm just gonna whisk it together. It smells so good. A little cinnamon on top. I don't know how I never thought of this before, like just mixing pumpkin pie spice with some oat milk or even almond milk and a little vanilla and honey. It literally tastes like a chai latte without obviously the caffeine. I'm pretty sure a normal chai latte is made with black tea, and I think you can of course make it with coffee. But if you want to have a really cozy evening drink that literally tastes so good and all like pumpkin pie spice, then this is such a nice thing to try, and it's also so easy to make. So yeah, I am obsessed with this right now. It's my new favorite thing to have after dinner. It's warming and just cozy, and I love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Definitely check down below in the description box for recipes and links to different kitchen utensils and tools. I'll try to have as many things listed and linked for you down below as I can. I hope that you found some good inspiration in this video too. Thanks so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.